Hi, this is K Designs. I'm gonna do the video tutorial on how to create your own listings. So I'm just gonna start from the start. It's just been so hectic. I've been working with a lot of websites, so this is something that I'm busy with at the moment. But now I'm gonna just dive into how you create and edit a listing. So when you let me just log out. I'm going to give you login backend details. What you want to do is go to blackdotproperties.co.za slash it'll be slash, this is how it looks now, slash WP admin. Once you've done that, you'll have these details where you can log in, and then you'll get to something called the dashboard. This is where you do your edits. So what we're going to look for specifically for listings, you're going to go to WPL. When you click here, you can see you have your different listings. So what we're going to do now is edit the listing manager that I couldn't change before. So here you can see, okay, not there. You go to user manager, and here we can see which user is registered as an agent. So when you go to the front end of the website, we go to listings. So currently it's set to Leo Mlambo, and to change that we're gonna have to go to WPL and go to user manager. When you click on user manager, you can see his name is here, so he's the only person that's as an agent. So now what you said for me was to change the, let me just go revert to your message quickly. So what I'm gonna just put here, I'll just say BlackDot properties, last name, let's see what it is. You can say BlackDot properties, let's keep it as that. Profile picture that will alternate, you can have BlackDot properties. Logo, you can have that. And then if you want to do that transition the way it does here, or you can just have it like, I mean, we can have the same thing. I don't think that will be a problem. And then we edit the name, BlackDot properties, address. Let me just quickly navigate here. Address, we have that. Website, admin, email at BlackDot properties. Telephone number, we have just go down 063 for inquiries. Telephone number, we have your landline, fax, we've got let me just search for it. So for fax we've got, okay, that's fine. Mobile contact, we have 063 +27 63 225 7489. Then the rest of the details is okay. So when I check that, you can see everything's finalized. When we go to the front end and we refresh, we can see that that has changed. But now, okay, that's fine, but the logo is a bit distorted. So when I have time, I'm just gonna go back and do it. For the purpose of this video, we're just gonna move on. Now when we go to our listings, when you want to add a listing, you can either go here to add a listing, and you will come to this page where it has features, basic details, appliances, address map, neighborhood, and all these other information, which is too long. So now I'm just gonna do a listing for one that we went through. So we're gonna go to listing manager. For the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna be brief, and here I'm just gonna delete. Here you can either, when you are posting a listing, you can either delete it, publish it to make it go live, or you can put it under, you know, as you editing it. So if you going like this, you can say unpublished, then you can see the listings won't show on the front end. And I think if I rather do that unpublished for each, because maybe we might use it in future, we'll just keep each one, each listing unpublished until further notice, so that it still remains on the back end, but on the front end it won't show. So I'm just gonna do that for these. Property not finalized, correct. When I go to the first one, I'm just gonna duplicate this. Actually, I'm gonna edit from here, and we're gonna go to the first property that you gave me. Let's do this. So this is how you edit it. You go on the property title, one apartment for sale in Ferndale. Property page title, bedroom apartment for sale. Then property description, you have this. So the reason why I copy it on Notepad is just to remove the formatting, so that when it edits properly. And then property type, it's an apartment. So we click apartment. You can see here it says apartment. Then listing type, it's what you said here was apartment for sale. So we're gonna say properties for sale. Listing ID, 197. Do that. Price, $40. You can remove that actually. 540,000 rand. View. Here we can say street, year built. So some of the information are not necessary, so you can just leave it as default. Floor size, not area, meters squared. So some of the details are not necessary, so you can just leave it as it is. Then we're done with basic details. We go to features. This is the features that you can check that the apartment has. So right now I can see 0 garage, 0 flat legs. So basically it's just 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 1 kitchen. So all this we can actually not select. Can have a garden, no balcony, no basement. Fence, view, yes. Pet policy, nothing. Kitchen, yes. Security. Storage. Furnished, you can see if it's furnished. If it's semi-furnished, you can select fully furnished or not furnished. So in this case we can just say it's not furnished. It's 1, okay, with an outside balcony. So over here I can check balcony. 1 bedroom with tile floors, built-in cupboards, 1 bathroom, 1 shower, ideal for bachelor investment, located ground floor, carport, central to all amenities. So it says carport, so we can say parking, yes. 1. So then we're done with features. We can go to appliances. If you have like any appliances, hot tub, iron, internet, you can just select that. Satellite, cleaning service, no CD player, TV, washing machine. So let's leave that for now. Then over here we can get to the address. So for the address, Kent Avenue. So here we have the longitude and latitude. So we can actually copy this into our address bar. Here we have latitude, or we can do this. 20 Kent Avenue, and paste it in there. Bird. Then when we click go, it's gonna automatically put in the address location for us. So when we look there, we can see the address is the same as that. And then for here we can change the same things. Street name, Kent Avenue, street number 278, postal code. For now let's leave that, and then we can go to neighborhood. You can say what amenities it's close to: shopping center, bus station, coffee shop, school. Image gallery, we have all these images, so if you want to put in images you can do that. So for now I'm just gonna save this image. Then we can put it in there. So I'm gonna delete all these others. It's taking a while. I hope you can hear me. Yeah, I mean, if you can't, my mic is really low, so if the video is a bit low in volume, you can just put the volume up. Hopefully you'll hear me. So when you upload your videos, just click select files, you select which folder it is in. Then you can give your image a title, so we can say 1 bedroom apartment, damn it, 1 bedroom, apartment, description, and then we go to video. If you have any videos to upload, you can upload them there. If you have any attachments, say maybe the lease contract or management details, stuff like that, you can upload them over here. Or anything that you want the client to do, you can just upload them over here. So if they want to sign a lease agreement, you can upload these files, and then they can view the downloads and send the files back to you. And then we have specialty. So this one is for sale. So here we're going to click for sale, and then it's going to give it a unique tag. So then when we're done with these changes, we just click finalize. So here we click finalize over here. Then to view the listing, you can just go view, and then here we have it. We have our one property apartment for sale in Ferndale. We're just gonna change the price here. So you can see appliances, address, then it shows the agent information over here. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, so for now you can see we just have these two. This one I just kept it as a reference, and the others we have unpublished it so that it only appears on the back end rather than the front end. So I hope everything is clear. If you have any questions, just get back to me. Thanks.